Hello dear students, today we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 14.1 and the question second is factorize the following expressions. Now few expressions are given and you have to factorize them. And what is the process of that? Here we will observe the expression carefully. In this expression two terms are there. The first term is 7x and the second term is 42. So first of all we will write both the terms in irreducible form. And then we will take out the common factor out and that will be the factorization form. So see 7x I can write it 7 multiply x. 42 I can write it 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. So now I will observe carefully from these two terms what is common. 7 is common in these two terms. So can I write 7 bracket x minus 2 multiply 3. I am using here distributive property. So 7 it will be x only and 2 multiply 3 it will be 6. So students observe carefully. Initially I was having expression 7x minus 42 and after factorization I can write this expression as 7 bracket x minus 6. It means 7 is a factor of this expression as well as x minus 6 is also a factor of this expression. Let's do another part. Second part, 6p minus 12q. Again two terms in this expression. 6p I can write it 2 multiply 3 multiply p. 12q I can write it, prime factors of 12 are 2 multiply 3 multiply 2 and q was with it, so I'll write it multiply q. Now I will observe the common factor. As I can observe 2 is common in both, 3 is common in both terms. So 2 multiply 3 I can take common and distributive property I am applying. If I'll take 2 and 3 common from here, only p is left. So I'll write in bracket p. Minus I have taken 2 and 3 common from this term also. So what is left? 2 multiply q is left. So I will write 2 multiply q. And at the end I can write 2 multiply 3 is 6. Bracket it is p and 2 multiply q I can write it 2q. So this is the factorization of this expression. There are two factors. 6 is a factor of this expression as well as p minus 2q is a factor of this expression. Let's do third part. It is 7a square plus 14a. Two terms. The first term is 7a square, second is 14a. Similar way we will write irreducible form. 7a square I can write it 7 multiply a. Plus 14a I can write it 7 multiply 2 multiply a. What is common in these two terms? 7 is common as well as 1a is common. So I will take it out. So in bracket what is left? 7 and a I have taken common. So only a is left. So I will write a. Symbol was plus, so I will write plus. Students observe carefully. If symbol was minus, so I have written minus. Here symbol was plus, so I will write plus. And 7 and a I am taking common. So if I will take 7 and a common, so what is left? Only 2 is left, so I will write 2 here. Now I will write it 7 multiply a, it is 7a. Bracket a plus 2. It means 7a is a factor of this and a plus 2 is also factor of this expression. Next part. Minus 16z plus 20z cube. So students, as I told you in previous question, minus 16z you can write it minus 1 multiply 2 or you can directly write a symbol of minus and then you can write down the factors of 16. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, these are the prime factors of 16, multiply z. 20z cube I can write it in the irreducible form. Then I will observe what I can take common. 2 and z I can take common. So now observe carefully. From this term, if I'll take 2, 2 and z common, what is left? Minus symbol is left. 2 multiply 2, that is 4 is left. And if I'll take 2, 2 and z common from this term, then what is left? 5 multiply z is left, that is 5z square. So it will be 4z bracket minus 4 plus 5z square. So this is the factorization of this algebraic expression.